Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is a long requested video. Guys, it's been a long while since my subscribers have been requesting that I do a updo or a ponytail with natural hair, guys. And as you can see, I showed you before, the only things I'm gonna be using are the wax and the got to be free spray. I'm not using anything else, guys, and I'm not flat ironing her hair or anything, guys. Her hair is just a simple, her hair has just gotten a simple blowout, and that's all. I definitely don't need to flat iron her hair or straighten her hair to get her natural hair to sleek down. So guys, just pay attention closely and look what I did to get her natural hair sleek down and well laid, guys. And don't forget to leave your comment after you finish watching the video, and thumbs up, and don't forget to share it. And please remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. I'm kind of inconsistent, guys, but just bear with me please, because I have a lot of work. My work has been so hectic. That's why I'm not getting to upload often as I should, but I'm just hoping that I can get over this as soon as possible so I can upload more often. Anyways, I'm not gonna disturb you, so you can pay attention to what I'm doing. So enjoy the video.